In this set there are 5 children. There are and their mothers. There are 5 mothers as well. Children are aged from 5 to 1. Also, one thing is given in this, that mother child cannot have a same rank. Eldest mother or child is ranked 1. Youngest mother or child is ranked 5. Let's start with the set now. We'll write the names of mom here and kids here. Moms are A, K, N, P, V. Kids are Chinna, CK, MR, T. Chinna is the eldest, but his mother. Okay, so do we have anything? The 5 children are different ages 1 to 5. If all the women are increased and all children were given the rank in a similar manner. Okay, so Chinna is the eldest. Eldest means age wise he is 5 and rank wise he is ranked 1. Ranked wise he is ranked 1. Nirmala is not the eldest, so Nirmala cannot be ranked 1. Nirmala, who is the mother of 3-year-old child, is elder than Vimla, and Amla is elder than Kamla. Elder means have better rank. The number of years by which Tinku is elder than Munna, so Tinku is elder means T minus M, is same as the number of years by which Chinna is elder than Rinku. So we will write here age. The difference is age wise, not rank wise. Nirmala, who is mother of this, Chinna is the eldest. Nirmala is not the eldest. Parimala's child is Tinku. Okay. Number of women elder than Parimala. Elder than Parimala means number of women above Parimala is same as the number of children younger than Tinku. Tinku younger than Tinku means smaller than Tinku. This is rank wise. Okay, above rank, below rank. Now in this what we can see is, first thing is that rank Tinku cannot be ranked 5th. Okay. Tinku can be ranked either 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, why cannot it cannot be ranked 5th? Because if it is ranked 5th, then its age will be what? Its age will be 1. Okay, sorry, how did it change? Its age will be 1. In that case it will be 1 minus something and it will be a negative number, so this case is not possible. So Tinku can be ranked 2, Tinku can be aged 2, or can be 3, or can be 4. But one thing, if you see, if you take, and C's rank we know is 5, so if we take 5 over here, if we take Tinku suppose 4 years, okay, then what are the possibilities? M can be 3, 4. Okay, no, nothing as such we can do now. Leave it for now. Let us do one thing. What we were doing over here. See, one thing we know that since T cannot be ranked 5, so T is not possible as 5. If T is not possible as 5, then P is not possible as well. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll take P to be 2. Now we'll take that P is rank 2. If P is rank 2 means there is only one person above P, so only one person will be younger than T. That is, T will be ranked 4th. If T is ranked 4th, its age will be what? C's age we know is 5. Okay. If T is ranked 4th, its age has to be 2 years. No other option we have. Okay. If T, so M in this case will be ranked 1. Difference is 1, so R has to be ranked 4th. Okay, this is age wise. Okay, remember these all are ages. 2, 1, 5, 4 are ages. Okay. So let us use this case and plot it over here. P is rank 2, T is rank 4. Now this R is rank 2. 1, 2, 3 is left, so 3 is this. No. 1, 2, 4. C is ranked 1. M is ranked. M age is 1, so M has to be ranked 5. So 3 is this guy. Okay. Now, age we can write if needed, as not needed. T is 2. Just a second. P is rank 2. Okay, so P is rank 2. Now P is rank 2. P is rank 2. Now see, one rank, N cannot be rank 1. Okay, N cannot be ranked 1. P is rank 2, so P cannot be ranked 1. N is less than V, so V cannot be rank 1. Only option left is that A is rank 1. Okay, A is ranked 1. Now, Nirmala, who is the mother of 3-year-old child, is elder than Vimla and Amla. Now, since Nirmala is, what all are the possible ranks? 3, 4, 5 ranks are left. In mom, I'm talking about. So, Nirmala is elder than Vimla. So, Vimla cannot be rank 3. So, Vimla can be 4 or 5. Nirmala can be 3 or 4. Now, A is greater than K. Now, K can be any rank. K can be 3, 4 or 5, can be any rank. There is a point that Nirmala, who is the mother of 3-year-old child. Okay, so if the child is, okay, let us fill age here as well. Rank 2, so age 4. Rank 5, so age 1. Rank 3. If Nirmala is the mother of 3-year-old child, so Nirmala cannot be rank 3, because we know that mother and child do not have same rank. So Nirmala has to be rank 4th. Okay, Nirmala has to be ranked 4th. If Nirmala is ranked 4th, Vimla has to be ranked 5. Now only rank left is 3, so 3 will be with K. Now in this case, till here we are done. Let us write this clean. Nothing else is left. Okay, now this case is done. Now our case was supposing P to be 2. Now similarly we'll take other cases. Above P, below T. 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 Another case we'll take is A, K, N, P, V, C, K, M, R, T. We know that above P, below T. Okay, suppose if we take P to be 3. If P is rank 3 means 2 person above P. Now same will be 2 person younger than T. So in that case, rank of T will be 3. Okay, but it is given that no woman has the same rank as her child. So 3 with 3 is not possible. So this case is discarded. So P cannot be rank 3. Another case can be P as rank 4. If P is rank 4, 3 people above, so 3 people below T. 3 people below T means T's rank is 2. T's rank is 2 means its age will be 4 years. 4 years I am writing. Now let us again fill this. P is rank 4. T is rank 2. Now T is rank 2 for 4 years. Okay. 4. T is rank 4. Now again we have this point. Sorry. K cannot be ranked 1 because A is greater than K. N cannot be ranked 1. V cannot be ranked 1 because N is greater than V. Only possibility that A is ranked 1. Okay. O, A, P, K. Now A is greater than K. What all are the ranks left? 2, 3 and 5 is left. K is a son of 3-year-old. So K cannot be ranked 3. Possibilities for K are 2 and 5. Okay. Now V cannot be rank 2, so V can be either 3 or 5. A is greater than K. N is greater than V. N is greater than V, so N can be 2 or 3. Check it. Till here we are done. Now let us come to ages of child. T is 2. This is not age we are writing, this is rank we are writing. So C is rank 1. 3 is a possibility for whom? 3 is a possibility for whom? Okay. So let us now see what we can do here. T minus M is C minus R. What all are the ages left? This age is 4, this age is 5. So ages left are 1, 2 and 3. Suppose if we give M as 1, so we'll get the difference to be 4 minus 1, that is 3. So we'll give 2 over here. If we give this as 3, if we give M as 2, so this will be 4 minus 2 and we can give 3 over here. Okay. This is one other case possible. If we give 1, 2 is done. 3 we cannot give. Okay. So these are the two cases with us. Accordingly we have to fix it. So M can be age 1. Age 1 means rank 5. Okay. So in this case who is left? T, M, C, R. K is left, so K has to be rank 3 in this case. In this case if we see lengthy set, it is turning out to be, in this case, this is the first case we are referring, K, T, M, C, R. Here we have 4 here, 5 here, so 1 is left, so K has to be rank 1. Sorry, age 1. Age 1 means rank 5. Okay. First question is, who is the child of Nirmala? Okay, so in one case you can see that child of Nirmala here is a 3-year-old child, that is Kanna. And in another case you can see that child of Nirmala is another 3-year kid, that can be either Kanna or can be either this R is Rinku. Okay, so we cannot determine this, so answer is CBD to this. Let me change the stroke. For this question the answer is option D, CBD. If Munna is child of Vimla, then Parimala is elder than. Munna is child of Vimla. Okay. Munna is child of Vimla. Which case will we take? Okay, leave this question for now. Question number 16 should be left now. 17 let us come to. If Nirmala is elder than only one woman. Nirmala is elder than only one woman means if Nirmala is elder than only one woman. Yes, so we are referring to this case. That is Nirmala is ranked 4th. Okay, the question is, who is the mother of Rinku? So Rinku is, so let us figure out mothers in this case. Mothers, if we allot mothers, P is the son of this T and this 3 here is the son of this Nirmala is mother of 3 years, so Nirmala is over here, so Nirmala is mother of this. Now who all are left? Vimla. This C cannot have the mother as this C, this Chinna, what his name is? Chinna's, it is given that Chinna's mother is not the youngest, so Chinna's mother cannot be Vimla because Vimla is the youngest. So Chinna's mother can be either A or K, but Chinna's rank is 1, so cannot be mother of A. A cannot be mother, so only possibility that Chinna's mother is this K. So Chinna's mother is K. Now who all are left? We'll see rank wise. Now see, M is rank 5, so Vimla cannot be mother, so A's mother has to be M. So R's mother, that is Rinku's mother, is Vimla. So answer to this question is Vimla. B is the answer. Which of the following statement is true? Rinku is 3-year-old. So in one case you can see that Rinku is 4 years old, so this option is wrong. Amla's child is 5 years old. Amla's child, you can see that in this case it is 5 years old, but not in the second case, so this option is gone. Nirmala got the same rank as Tinku, so you can see that. One more thing which we can figure out from here. We know that Nirmala is a mother of 3-year-old child. So a mother of 3-year-old child means child is aged 3, and if child is aged 3, you can spot from here, age and rank will be same. So Nirmala cannot have rank 3, so Nirmala has to be rank 2. Okay, if Nirmala is rank 2, this K, if Nirmala is rank 2, what all ranks are left? 2, 3 and 5. Okay, so this can be 3 or 5, and this also can be 3 or 5 in any order. Okay, in any order. Okay, now you can see that question is last question is Nirmala got the same rank as Tinku. In here you can see that Nirmala got 4 rank and Tinku got 4 rank. I am shading it with another color. Nirmala got 4th rank, Tinku got 4th rank. Here it is correct. Here Nirmala got 2 rank and Tinku got 2 rank. This option is also correct. So option C is also correct. Now we are done with all the major questions. Only one question is remaining. If Munna is the child of Vimla, okay, Munna is the child of Vimla. So Munna, you can see that, is having rank 1 in this case, and age 1 means rank 5 and age 2 means rank 4. Okay, so Munna is the child of Vimla. We have to do this, right? So let us list that down. First of all, let me remove this from here. Okay, less chaotic now. Now K, possibilities for K are age 3 and 1 means rank 3 or 5. For Munna, ranks 5 and 4. For R, 2 or 3 means 3 and 4. These all are the different possibilities. Munna is the child of Vimla. First of all, rank 3 is N is the mother of either K or R, Rinku or this. Okay. Munna is the child of Vimla. If we go for the case of 5, let us take a case. Let me take a case that Munna is a child of Vimla. It is given in the question. So if we take Munna to be aged 5, I am taking a case. Should I change? Yes. So the case is, first of all, it is Munna is a child of Vimla. So if the age of Munna, if I take the age of to be 5, then Vimla cannot be 5. Sorry, this is rank of Munna. If I take 5, then Vimla cannot be 5. Vimla has to be 3. If Vimla is 3, then K has to be 5. If K is 5. Okay. Now see, if 5 is over here, we cannot have a 5 over here. So K has to be 3 over here. If 3 is over here, R has to be 4. Now, mother of C cannot be the oldest. So mother of C cannot be K. Mother of N is the mother of K or R for sure. Parimala is the mother of T. Okay, and Vimla is the mother of Munna is the mother of Vimla. Munna is the child. So Vimla is not possible. So only possibility for Chinna is that A is his or her mother. But it is not possible now because they cannot have same ranks. Okay. So our supposition was taking Munna to be 5. So this case is wrong. So ultimately we are left with only one case. That is just a second. I'll take Munna is 4. Okay. This is question specific. Okay. Munna is rank 4. So if Munna is 4 and Vimla is mother, so Vimla has to be 5th. Okay. Because they cannot have same rank. So 4 and 5. If it is 5, so Vimla is elder than, Parimala is elder than Vimla, and answer to this question is Vimla. That's it.